Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan. I'm going to teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. In this episode, you have bonus. We have 3. We are going to say today, tomorrow, yesterday in Chinese. We have Jesse from Transition. Hi, Jesse.
Hi, ShaoLan. 你好.
你好. Right, it's very important to learn how to say today, tomorrow, and yesterday.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, how should we say today in Chinese?
今天.
今天. That's perfect. So, 天, let's start with the basic word. 天.
Sure. 天.
天, that means sky.
First tone, right?
First tone.
Okay.
天.
天.
天. So you can make it longer because you sound better when you make it longer. 天.
天.
天. So 天 means sky, and of course, what's in the sky in addition to air? We have the sun and the moon, and then in ancient Chinese society, people looked at their environment and they look at the sun, moon, and then the stars going by, and then they know that when it's a cycle, after a sun and a moon, then it's one day gone past. So it's a day as well.
I love the way that it's all connected with nature.
Yes, that's right. So 天, in addition to sky, that means day. So we resolved the fundamentals. Now, to say today, we say 今天.
今天.
今天. 今 means present.
Okay.
The current time. So the current day is today.
今天.
今天.
Today.
Today. The character, if you look at that, it looks like the sloping roof. With a little shadow, with a beam underneath, and then with a little bit of shadow. So that original meaning was in ancient time. Actually, that means shadow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but then, of course, later on, the character was borrowed to present present.
Present, yeah. So today, 今天.
今天 is totally useful, just like in English. I probably use the word today more than 100 times every day. Even just today, I use today 100 times. And the same as in Chinese, 今天, you will hear that again, wherever Chinese society or Chinese speaking world you are.
So if you're making an appointment or something like that, you'll say, okay, today, this afternoon, I've got something going on. So it'd be 今天, and then you'd specify
afternoon.
when that
That's
is.
right,
Okay.
Exactly. So afternoon is 下午.
下午.
下午. 下 means to go down, and then 午 is the noon. So down the noon, it's afternoon.
And the 下, the word which means down, the tone is going down as well, isn't it? So that's a nice little coincidence.
That's right. So 今天下午, this afternoon.
今天下午.
今天下午. Okay, let's talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow is 明天.
明天.
明天. Remember 天, the same, day.
Yeah.
And 明 is the second tone. 明.
明.
明, that means the next day. The character originally is the combination between the sun and the moon.
Wow.
Of course, the first version of the meaning
Yeah.
was brightness, because in ancient China, before fire was discovered, or ancient everywhere, the sun and the moon was the only source of the light. So that means brightness. That also means tomorrow after a day and a night.
So you've got the day and the night character there representing.
That's right. That means tomorrow. So 明 means tomorrow, but to specifically to say is tomorrow day or the next day, we say 明天.
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 That's right. And then to say yesterday, we say 昨天.
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 昨 that means previously. So the previous day. 昨天.
昨天.
昨 is the second tone. We go up.
昨.
昨.
And so if I make that tone a little bit longer, it's fine, is it?
Yeah, that's right. When you make it longer, it's actually clearer.
Okay.
So don't rush when you speak Chinese, like singing. Just take your time.
昨.
昨天.
昨天.
昨天. Right, let me test you. 明天.
Tomorrow.
今天.
Today.
昨天.
Yesterday.
That's right. So by adding a year with 今, present year, that means this year.
I see. So the word for year is nián.
Nián.
nián,
nián.
nián,
Yeah, you need to have the nasal sound. Nián.
nián.
Second tone. And you know, nián is not only year in Chinese, that also means something very sticky.
Oh, okay. So a sticky dumpling or a sticky rice ball.
That's right. Just same sound, different characters, but don't worry about that. Now we only hear in the podcast. So nián.
Nián.
Imagine something really sticky, such as chewing gum you can't get rid of. Nián.
Nián.
Nián. So you see in Chinese, a lot of sounds, they actually express what people feel about things. Nián.
Nián.
Nián. Nián means year. So this year, 今年.
今年.
Yeah. And then to say next year, 明年.
So it's using the same word as the first word for tomorrow. So míng,
明.
明年.
明年 is next year.
明年.
That's right. But to say last year, we don't say 昨年. In literature, you can see that and you can understand it.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw that before. But then in the day-to-day conversation, we actually say 去年.
去年.
去年. And 去 is to go. That also means past.
Okay.
Yeah, so the past year.
Right. Yeah, so you can directly translate that. And it makes
That's
sense
right.
too.
So there's no right and wrong, as you can see, that some grammatically correct words like 昨年, it's actually correct.
Yeah.
And it's also used rarely, though.
Yeah.
But it's just a matter of convention. People use it more often to say 去年 to represent last year.
去年.
去年. Okay, so now we have 4 words together. 去年 is last year. 今年 this year. 明年 next year.
I've learned so many different ones.
Yeah, you just mix and match and you come up with a new word. Right. So since we already learned how to say afternoon, let's have a little bit of recap because we know how to say morning. Morning is 早上.
早上.
So if we want to say 今天早上,
It must mean today, this morning.
this morning. 昨天早上.
Yesterday morning.
Yep. And then we say 明天早上.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. 明天早上, tomorrow morning. Do we say 明年早上?
Oh, no. next year morning. I'm trying to think.
Now, you can say anything you want, basically, but it doesn't mean anything. Next year morning, no, it doesn't mean anything.
That was a good trick question. I still had to think about it. Yeah.
Right, okay. So, 早上 is morning, and then should we say 晚上? 晚上 is evening.
晚上.
晚上. And 上, that means to up, and 晚 is late. So, late up. You are up still late.
Yeah.
晚上. And then some people say 晚上 is the 4th tone, but I hear lots of people, depending on the regions and also the education, then people say, sometimes they say 晚上.
Oh.
So you didn't hear 上. You didn't hear the 4th tone.
Yeah.
They make it much lighter.
Okay.
So there's no right or wrong. It's just the convention again. Just like in English, some people say things differently.
Yeah.
Potato and potato.
But one of them's right, though.
That's true. All right. Okay, tonight. 今天晚上.
今天晚上.
To say in a brief way about tonight, we say 今晚.
Okay, so you can shorten it.
That's right. So we take out 天 and 上, say 今晚. And of course, you can say 明晚. That means tomorrow night. And then 昨晚, last night. So basically, Chinese, you can just cut off some words, but don't cut off randomly because sometimes you come with something you don't expect.
That's right, yeah.
Jesse, I know you have a new song called 今天晚上.
That's right. The reason we wrote this song was because we were in Taiwan.
Mm-hmm.
And often for us, we had surprises. So we'd go to somewhere. And for a Taiwanese person, they'd know where it was. So if they say, okay, tonight you've got a concert in Yilan. To me, the word Yilan didn't mean anything, but they knew that it would be go to a beautiful place next to the coast, lots of hot springs there. And, you know, to them, they already knew. But for me, I just knew, okay, a gig tonight, go to this place and we'll do it. And so this song was written about some of the surprises of arriving and just thinking, wow, this place is incredible. And I really like it. So the chorus just says, 今天晚上, so tonight. And then the other bit is 我不要在别的地方. So it's like, I don't want to go anywhere else because this is just perfect.
Wow, so beautiful.
Well, For us, it was, yeah. Some of those times. We also went to a place called Hualien, Taiwan.
Beautiful.
And we got to play on the roof of this 5-star hotel. And they've got a big fire outside, just about 50 people sitting out on these reclining sofas. You could hear the river in the background outside, and you could see the stars because we were playing at night.
Right.
Playing outside. And it was just perfect. And it was, one of those evenings where you think, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. So,
Wow, should we listen to it?
Okay.
Great. Thank you so much, Jesse, for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Today we learned how to say 今天,明天,昨天, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Please don't forget to rate us, review us, and share what you have learned. Until next time, 再见. 再见, Jesse.
再见.